Imagine a drone that doesn't just soar above land, it flies over water using laser technology to map everything below the surface. I'm Grit the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com and see why hundreds of thousands of people get my newsletter absolutely free. Take a look at the Yellow Scan Navigator. It maps both ground and water beds with precision down to 1.2 inches using a highly accurate LiDAR system mounted on a UAV drone. Whether flying high or mapping depths of up to 59 feet, in clear water from above, this compact drone combines cutting-edge laser technology and true color visualization. From coastal erosion to underwater archaeology, it's allowing us to see our world in a whole new way. But here's the question. Do you think tools like this could help us solve critical climate challenges, or are we just overestimating their potential impact? Let me know in the comments below. More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com, where you can also sign up for my newsletter for free. Go do it.